Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ku, Miss Su, chapter 150. This is the last chapter of the regular chapter, and we can also expect it one special chapter to be released on June 10 this year. Well, when the two of them see each other, finally, there's a balloon who's floating in the sky. Well, for the sweet things, right? At least right now, Suhishi, she looks really calm, but when Sergeant look at her, it seems that she was hesitating, or probably she was checking if Suhishi is fine. Well, she really get closer towards Suhishi and said, did she prefer this? Wow, this girl, she know to herself that this is really sweet thing, right? After thinking that she already gone, but right now it turns out she also have some surprise for her. Just made a wish. Shajin said to Suhishi. Suhishi said, what wish? Shajin said, I hope that I can be with you at this time every year. Wow, that was really sweet thing, right? At least she really can remember her. Looking at Suhishi, she looks really happy and said, finally, the things, it was really getting better. Especially for Suhishi, she's trying to express her feeling after so long of being far away to each other. Well, finally, the two hearts are already being rekindled. She grabbed her hands, and now the two of them are walking. Well, what a sweet thing. They really looking casual. Well, let's solve and let's see that everything will be fine. After coming back, finally, these two girls, they're really staring at each other, seeing that why suddenly the two of them are being together again. Who's shouting, you're such a loser. You hold her tightly. Are you afraid that she will run away? Well, it seems that she really get this. Now, Suhishi said she really wanted to adjust the posture. Well, could it be that this girl, she is not getting shy anymore? Moreover, she's being open-minded. Suddenly, she whispered to hold her hands. Now, Suhishi, she was studying her grief. Finally, looking at the situation, it seems that she was really started. But looking at her right now, it seems that she was coughing. Probably she was thinking something else. The feeling of being fed of the dog food. You too, it's a bit cold. Let's get in the car first. You too, it's a bit cold. Where are we going? It seems that Shajin, she really wanted to cook for everyone. Well, it seems that she is a hands-on person and she don't want to fight on something. Shajin, right now, it's an arbitrage. It seems that there's a lot of it are part of yours and also for the part of others to the other's person. Now, looking at Shaojin, it seems that Suhishi, she's getting closer. Now, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Shaojin said to her, will you stay with me in the kitchen? Oh, this girl, what is she going to do? It seems that still she was in fever. I said, who's she? Why I don't notice your character before? I'm in love with, but I'm not like you. This girl, she was really getting picky. And also, I want you to take care of it, Shachin said to her manager. Now, when she looked back, she was said, okay, but Suishi, she really cares her so much. Of course, Shuichi said to her, well, you will know that the person who's living here is almost, almost it got on the way. I shouldn't be here. I shouldn't be under the car. Suhishi said to Shachin, but of course, Shuhishi surely wanted to find a way to be able to get closer to her, but it means that it's really troublesome. Wow, it smells so good. I'm going to turn on The TV, I liked some background music while I was eating. Well, finally, she really wanted to calm herself. Well-known entertainment company director's surname, son, and his female artist survive. The charges are evasion and intentional injury. It seems that it was really painful, but everyone, let's play a game and test Xiaoxin's familiarity with the song. We will blindfold Xiaoqing and let her. If she can recognize Xiao Susan, she will fast. Sister said to her, well, it really makes sense, right? That ladder, it's look really dangerous. We all took Xiaosus away and didn't give her back at night. Well, that was really tricky. Of course, Xiaojin, but suddenly, looking at her hands, it seems that there's something wrong. And Xiaojin, she was also panicking. Could it be that it's really getting extreme? The game begins. It was a woolen cloth. Why? Why do their hands look so similar? Which one? Since she was really in confusion, well, probably a flash of inspiration, a pin shard. Still, it seems that everything will went well in the future. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. But Pursuhishi still, she was groping her hands. Now, the two person that they've really been looking for is a major hold hands. Now, the two of them keep staring at each other. Probably, they really miss so much and also, it's a little bit awkward. Although, there's a suspicion. And you know that Shansu's hands well. Well, definitely this girl. She can only tell her about the story. It really makes sense, right? Since the door manager was already out, it seems that she can really find something to be able. After going back, finally Shajin and Suhishi are the two of them or only have access to be able to see it clearly. Well, let's play a game. Close your eyes and follow me. Shajin said to Suhishi. Well, let's solve everything. We're really getting better. Well, looking at herself, it seems that she was not coming back. Looking at the situation, she also, she closed her eyes. Probably, she really wanted to think, but also, it was really high stake. Now, Suishi said, you can open your eyes. Finally, they're going to approach the bedside, but suddenly Suishi. But now, she looks really stunned about this. Now, let's see on what's gonna happen next. It seems that the thing, it's really getting better, right? Well, let's hope that everything will be fine on that. Now, the room, it seems that a wedding night setup. Now, what's really changed? Now, let's see on what's gonna happen. But after seeing all the romantic side of Shajin, of course, Shuhishi, she was really overwhelmed by this. Surprised by the etiquette and identity. Now, it looks like everything seems to be calm. Also, the two of them are really getting closer to each other. I want to bring it to you. Shajin. Shajin said to Suhi. Well, after a long talk and also studying, of course, she can really make it. And it seems that she was really afraid on her. Shaosu, she moved closer and she kissed her gently. Proudly, she was really overwhelmed by this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.